Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change a data point shape for a data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set that we will be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon data set. So I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public session. I'm going to go to my worksheet here called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag two measures. One is against dark to columns and then against fire to rows. And so we can see the scatter plot right now is just 1 point because it's provided the sum aggregation to both measures. I'm then going to drag the type 1 here and drop it into marks. This is going to show me each point for each type and also their total against dark and against fire values. By default, the point is going to be a hollow circle. I can change the shape by clicking on shape and change it to a cross or any other shape that I choose. So there you have it. This is how you can change the shape for a data point for a data visualization that you create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.